Assalamualaikum. Welcome back in the course series of Java Inventory Management System. So let's start. First of all, we create a project in Java Eclipse IDE named as Inventory System. After this, we create a JFrame file in this created project. JFrame. Select JFrame. Named as management system. Mainframe. Named as mainframe. Okay, let's start. Our first project file is created. Now we move to design frame. Design frame is a part of Windows Builder in which drag and drops all text fields are given. Just we drag and drop the in given places. Let's move to the Java Windows Builder. Okay, our Windows Builder is created. For any creation of any project, we first place our content plane in JFrame. So after placing a content plane, we place a absolute layout. In Windows Builder Java, there are many types of layouts. We select only JFrame. After this we place a window menu bar. In menus bar, for we place our menu options like file etc. So we in our project here is a product item, and other one is staff. Next is management. Okay, now we add menu items named as J menu item. Okay, product. In product we add products. Congratulations, our Windows Builder form is working properly. Now we add action lister against these buttons. If we press any button, then it will move. Okay, we create action listener. We move to a new JFrame. For this purpose we create another JFrame named as management. Okay, now we design our JFrame. Go to the design, and here we also apply content plane and resize it. After resizing it, we add many labels, text fields named as JLabels. J text fields, J buttons, and also we add a scroll pane. So let's start. First of all, add label. We named this product name. In against J text label, we also add a J text field. First we resize it. After this we also add a J text field. Okay. Now we add J text field. J text field. Here we input our things. Now we create another label named as price. And also create a J text field against price. Now we want to create a table. For table purpose, first we add J scroll pane. First we add J scroll pane. When we place J scroll pane and also resize according to our requirement, then we drag a table in scroll pane. Drag a table in scroll pane. After this, we also add a J button named as add product for adding a new product, any item in our inventory management system, in our database. And also an other button named as delete button, which we will want to delete any product. Then we press this, select the item and press delete button, then it will delete. So now we execute our project, either it's working or not. Sorry, first we add its management form in our project. When we execute, if it is not added in our project, this file, in this file, then it can't be executed. Named as management according to our Java JFrame. Management name as management, new management. Okay, that's great. Now we call it to visible in our running application. Congratulations, our application is built successfully. Only here is GUI successfully created. In our next lecture, we will focus on its database creation using MS Access. Using MS Access, we create database. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.